Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on automatic save in Photoshop. So friends, firstly open Photoshop and after that open any image. Now click on edit. Now click on this drop down menu icon. Select preferences. Now select interface and click on it. Now in here click on file handling. Check this box. Automatically save recovery information every. So select the time like 1 hour, 30 minutes, 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So as your requirement, I will select 1 hour. So it will automatically save recovery information every 1 hour. Now close it. So friends, by this easy and simple method, you can turn on automatic save in Photoshop. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.